add adjustments to easily correct or change the appearance of your video. In the video editor, tap on Adjustments. Here, you will see sliders for brightness, hue, saturation, and contrast. Use the brightness slider to increase the exposure of your video, making it lighter, or decrease to darken your video. The hue slider changes the overall color of your video. Saturation allows you to add to the intensity of color in your video or remove it. You can use this slider to give your video more or less contrast. Changes to these sliders are immediately seen. Happy with these adjustments? Just tap Done to adjust your video and return to the main editing screen. Change your mind? Tap Cancel to exit this tool. You can easily change the mood of your video with adjustments.